भारतीय दिफाई तजियाकार ने मोदी सरकार की जानिब से पाक फजाइया के 20% इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तबाह करने के दावे को मज़हक़ा ख़िज़ करार दिया। इंटरव्यू के दौरान वाज़ेह किया कि पाकिस्तान के किसी भी असासे को कोई तबाही नहीं हुई। पाकिस्तानी दिफाई सलाहियत को कम समझना भारत के लिए महंगा साबित हुआ।
Indian Express quite separately has claimed that 20% of Pakistan's Air Force infrastructure has been destroyed. Or is that a bit exaggerated?
The very expression "a bit exaggerated" is a bit exaggerated. I mean, it's a ludicrous claim.
Level and nature of the damage done to those Air Force bases may not be as great as we are pretending it is.
It's certainly nothing even close to 20% of their air assets. Nothing even remotely close to their air. Incompetence is very clear. I don't think this government has anyone within it who has a very significant understanding of military matters, of military cultures, of strategy in any meaningful sense. I mean, we talk about, of course, certain elements of, strategy, offensive defense and stuff like that.